Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. Thank you very much for sharing this enjoyable time with me. I really enjoy my time in my channel when I'm preparing my videos for you because I know you like them. In this channel we are not only painting something, we are sharing life as well. That's why I like YouTube, to be YouTuber. Thank you very much. This is just with you. This is a basket or bag or something I was using in the garden, but I'm trying to make it a little bit different. I was putting flowers in it and I was hanging in a tree. It was nice, but I'm not using anymore, so I'm gonna use it inside home. It's clean, nice, it is new, but I want to change it. This part, I'm gonna cover this part. So easier. I will try to show you as much as I can because I know there are some guys, they don't know, they just started, new beginners, so they want to learn. So I will try to show many techniques for them, for everyone else, and myself. I'm gonna try again and again. Good for me as well. It finished. It's gonna get dry. It didn't finish. Here a little bit more. Maybe we can do paint crackle as well. What do you think? Do you want? Leave a comment under video, please. Just ask me if you want something. My name is Neşe, by the way. Neşe, we want you to do something like this, etc. Because the only place that we can talk is under video, your comments. So just tell me what you want, what you don't want, so we can communicate there, and I can do different things, and I'm open to all ideas. I respect all my viewers. Okay, we are back again. We dried up till morning. As you see, it's perfectly dried. Some parts are transparent because they were it wasn't on and on, so some parts are white. Okay, let's start. One layer is not going to be enough, of course. We will do maybe two, maybe three. It's acrylic, by the way. It's acrylic. If you have gesso, you can apply gesso under it, so it could be easier to cover. Everywhere. Don't forget, inside, outside, side, everywhere. Everywhere. We are back. We are dry, properly, nicely painted. I'm going to apply stencil this way. What do you think? It's not easy. Applying stencil is fun, nice. I really like using stencil, but it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. It is really not. Oh, thanks God. Oops. Yes, that's fine. Let's play a little bit. First some silver. You see the the effect of ordinary kitchen towel. And some gold touches just to get some light. Just to get some light. Did you like it? How is the effect? I have butterfly. To this joyful basket. Actually, I don't like gold in my daily life. I hate golden jewelry, etc. I really hate. I don't like. I never wear. I am fan of silver, but not gold. Oh, but in art, in such things, gold is my favorite. See? How is it? I like it. Yeah. Wow. I love it. I wasn't expecting that good. Wow, wow. I really love it. I really love it. How is it? Yes. And some lace. Thank you very much for sharing this nice moment with me, nice video with me. See you in the next video. Stay colorful and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.